Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add header in Google Docs. So for example, we have here this document, we have here 4 paragraphs, and if we want to add something to header, we need to click double time on the header field, and then we will be able to add here a simple text or image. For example, I type here simple header. Here you can select this one option if you want a different first page. Everything depends on your preferences. If you would like to add here an image, you need to click on this one icon. It will let you to insert an image to this header. I select here upload from the computer, and for example I select this one image and I click open. How you see it has been successfully inserted to our document. We can resize this image. Maybe I will change size to this one, and of course here you can find other options. You can change header format if you want. You can set page numbers or remove header. So for example, I click on header format, I can change the margins. For example, I will change it to 1.5 for the header, and I click apply. So it is how you can edit header in Google Docs. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.